I did a little shopping at Dollar Tree specifically for items for future videos on this channel. So I thought I'd do a little short haul of what I got specifically to make dollhouse miniatures or to use in building dollhouse miniatures. So stay tuned and see what I bought. Alright, my first Dollar Tree item that I want to show you today is this work light. It's an LED portable work light. These are awesome. They take 3 AA batteries in the back, which aren't included, but you can buy AA batteries at Dollar Tree. There's a really strong light here and another spotlight here, and this is the switch. So you'll be seeing this if you haven't already seen it in previous videos on the dollhouse build. I know I'll be using it when I start doing the interior of the dollhouse, because that gets pretty hard to light up, and this is going to come in extremely handy for that. So let's move to the next thing. Alright, the next thing I got were these clips, and craft clamps they call them, and they come in 2 different sizes. Each package is $1, so you get 2. I did 2 of these big ones. It's got a pretty good spring to it. Or you get 6 of these little guys. And I've seen a lot of people using these on various YouTube videos, and they just looked like they would be really handy. Oh yeah. So those are going to come in really handy for a lot of things in the craft room. Specifically, I'm sure if you haven't already seen them on this channel, you will be really soon. And what we have here, folks, is a pile of Dollar Tree dollhouse furniture. So I thought I'd show you what I got. We're going to be flipping these over the next several months. I'm going to try to do no more than 1 a month. You may have already seen one done. As I'm filming this, I haven't decided what order some of my videos are going to go up in, but I wanted to film the haul before I opened up too much stuff. So at some point over the next few months, you'll be seeing me redo this little table, 2 different dressers, this chair, which I purposely got one with the legs all spewed because I have a really cool idea for this. This, which Dollar Tree actually calls a hall table, or calls a desk, I'm going to call it a hall table because that's too small for a desk, but I think this is going to be really awesome. And then this little bed that when you look at it, you think, that's way too small, but I think we can redo it and make it work. Because the bed itself is only 3 inches long, which would be like a toddler bed. I think I can turn this into a dollhouse bed that will work for at least for a teenage doll, if not an older doll. So we'll see how that goes. So thanks for joining me today for this really quick haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure and check the channel and the blog for more information. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you do. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever I get a new video out. Let's grow this channel to at least 20,000 subscribers in the next couple of months. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.